Hello and welcome to a District 228 tech tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about creating a YouTube channel and uploading videos to YouTube. Step 1, go to the YouTube website. You want to make sure that you are signed in to YouTube with a Google account. You can sign in with your school Gmail. Once you are, you'll see the initial just like you do with all Google products. And you can click on that and create a channel if you haven't already done so. So when you're creating a channel, it'll go through a couple of prompts saying, hey, are you sure you want to create it? Yep, let's go ahead and get started. The custom name is more for creating a brand. You could just use your name. You're not really trying to sell anything or get product placement. Select that. So now your channel has been created. It gives you a couple of optional things that you don't need to do. So you can set that up later. If you want to connect to other websites, you're welcome to do so. So you have your channel. What to do next? Your next step is going to be uploading a video. So when you're on this page, it gives you the upload video link. If you're on the YouTube homepage, which is most likely where you're going to be, you'll only need to create your channel once. You want to make sure that you are pressing the create button right here to upload a video. So you might get one of these prompts just telling you that YouTube has updated the way that they look. Once you're past that screen, you can either drag and drop a video or select a file. I have a file I'm going to upload about creating YouTube playlists. Feel free to check out that video after you're done with this one. So you want to make sure that you give your video a very clear and concise title so that people understand what it is. Give it a description. So this is a District 228 tech tutorial video showing how to create YouTube playlists. After this video has a second to process, you'll see some thumbnails. Some are better or worse. You can go ahead and select whatever one you want, and you can upload a thumbnail if they're all pretty not great. So if you have a playlist already created, you can add it to playlist, or you can create a new one here if you're uploading all videos of a similar topic. Go ahead and just select no, it's not made for kids. Even though it is content created for teenagers, it's not under the age of 13, and that has some additional restrictions. So then all of this stuff down here, you can edit any of it if you would like. Category is going to be education. And then finally, you can look at comments. So if you wanted to disable comments so that nobody could comment on it, you could do that here, or you can change the comment settings to whatever makes most sense for you. So my thumbnails have uploaded. I'm going to just go ahead and leave this one right here. I'm going to select next. It gives you some options. If you'd like, you can add an end screen, you can add cards, or you can just go ahead and upload as is. So finally, what you have here is your privacy settings. So it tells you specifically what they are. If it is content that you are creating where you are speaking, you might want to put it as unlisted. Usually, if you are doing one of these type of videos, we recommend unlisted or public. If you want to do public, just make sure you set some tags so that people can find the content they're looking for if you're looking to share out beyond your classroom. If you do private, nobody except for you is going to be able to view the video, so make sure you're doing either unlisted or public. Then once you save, your video has been published. It shares the link. It's going to take a second to see, but you can either send somebody this link here, embed it. You can share it out on your Google Classroom. You can also put it on your Google site if you have a Google site. If you're looking to make sure that your students are viewing the content, you can embed it in an Edpuzzle. We have some cohort topics that are going to be discussing how to do that, so follow up with your librarians if you're interested in learning more about that. And if you have any questions, reach out to us and we're happy to help. Thanks so much.